good CV, there is a very high chance that you will get an interview call. Coming to the second point is you must do a thorough desktop Google research. Use your network to do a research about which company you are going to attend the interview. And when I mean research, I mean you must know what is the name of the company, what is the turnover of the company, which industry the company is in, what are the key products, who all are the competitors, what is the vision of the company, has the company been in the news of late, what is the social media saying about the company, or what is the company's social media handles. Also go into Glassdoor. Glassdoor is a good website wherein you can get a feedback about the employees in the company, what they want to say. You can get a feedback from Glassdoor about the different interviewees who had attended interview with the company. And how will it help you is basically sometimes in an interview, there is a question suddenly coming from the panel that, can you please tell us what do you know about our company? Or can you tell me how will you fit in our organization? So if you do your research, believe me, you will be able to answer the question much more confidently. And if I tell you my case also, way back in 2003 when I had attended an interview with MRF, in 2003 there were very less popularity of Google and internet cafes, but somehow I had a good sense of actually going into and searching about the company and doing some research about the company. And this actually question was asked to me. So I was able to tell about the company. I was able to tell when the company started, what was the logo of the company, what was the motto, which all factories the company had. So it really gave me an edge with respect to the other people who were attending the interview. So this session is all about you people getting an edge from the others. The third point is dress in business formals. And business formals, there can be an elaborate 30-minute, 40-minute session being taken on what is business formals. But just sweet and short, for men, it is a formal shirt, formal trousers, black shoes, socks, ties. And for ladies or women, it is a Western formal or maybe an Indian formal in terms of a churidar. And in case females are comfortable in wearing a sari and being graceful in that, you can go ahead for that also. But the idea is invest in a good set of clothes for yourself. Good combination for boys would be a light shirt, a light blue or a white shirt with a dark trousers, which can be black or dark blue, matching socks, polished shoes, matching ties, and a good pen and a pad. And when I say dress immaculately, the reason being that even before you utter one single word, the viewers are seeing you how you are dressed. So if you are dressed appropriately, then there is a first impression which is about you already created in the mind of the interviewers, and there is a high chance that the interview will go good from that point onwards. So dress for an interview properly, invest in a good set of clothes. And I would recommend to people who are traveling for interview from home, maybe 10, 15, 20 kilometers, who may be using public transport, that carry an extra pair of shirt with you. Because in case the shirt that you are wearing gets dirty, gets a stain, there is a possibility that you can go and change and appear that much more crisper during the interview. Okay? Moving ahead, this is the second part of the preparation. So you have prepared for what is the company, you have prepared for the clothes that you will wear in the interview. Now let us prepare for what are the questions that are high chances of being asked in an interview. So usually I have seen several, I can say up till 80% of interviews being started with some version of tell me about yourself or please take me through your resume. So my request to all of you would be that please take this question very, very seriously, and please write a script which will be about between 2 to 3 minutes down on how will you answer this question. Prepare this, mug it up, speak in front of the mirror, speak in front of your friends or your college placement coordinators or in mock interviews, and prepare so much that this becomes second nature to you. That means even when somebody wakes you up at 3 o'clock in the night and asks you, tell me about yourself, you can tell the person about yourself exactly what is required and in the right tone, pitch, and modulation. So, and what is the ingredients that you need to put inside this question? You must be willing, you must start with your family, that who all are there in your family, where do you belong, what does your father, mother do, what are your educational achievement in terms of marks or any educational certificates that you have got. If you have held any position of leadership in school or college, were you a school captain, school houseboy, college coordinator, any committee member in college, you must tell that. If you have done any additional courses or certifications, or you must tell any industrial internship or training, you must add. Your finally end with your extracurricular activities or hobbies or interests. And my recommendation is generally, in case you don't have an extracurricular activity, please don't mention that my hobbies are to search the internet or watch movies in the internet, because generally these questions or these responses are not appropriate for the situation that you are going to face. So please prepare a script, practice it till you become perfect, and practice it not like a table जैसे 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. ऐसा नहीं करना है. जिस तरीके से आपको आंसर देना है, आपकी वॉइस को मॉड्यूलेट करना है. You need to put in emphasis where it is required and speak very, very, very professionally on this. The reason being that आपका पहला impression पड़ेगा with the kind of CV that you prepare. The second impression about yourself will be created when you come in with a proper interview attire or interview dress. And the third impression will come, because generally this will be the first question that most of you will be facing. So आपका first impression on you speaking to the interviewer will be this question. So you have to please emphasize on this, right? No matter how much I say this is very important, it is more important than that. And each of you needs to do it separately, and each of you need to, इसमें copy paste नहीं कर सकते, किसी और का script चुराना नहीं, अपना script लिखना और practice करना. The second point is, or the second question that you can expect is, what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? Now, please prepare for this question. Sorry, somebody was saying in between. ठीक है, I'll proceed. So what are your strengths and weaknesses? इसमें please prepare and don't just say that your strength is planning. I'm sure Nakibhai must have covered in his session of CV that there is a method called as STAR method, which talks about a situation, task, activity and result. उसके बारे में Google कर लेना, उसके बारे में YouTube में बहुत सारे videos हैं. If you are saying your strength is planning, then please tell the interviewer what was the situation that you faced. Maybe आपको एक college festival plan करना था और एक college festival conduct करना था. तो उसके लिए you decided to call a committee. You were the leader of the committee. You are assigned responsibilities and you distributed pamphlets. You liaised with different external bodies. You arranged for the security, arranged for the food, and then the college festival was a great occasion. So talk in like that language, which gives lot of confidence to the interviewer that the person is saying something which is not just hollow, but it has depth. In case अगर आप बोलना चाहते हो कि your strength is leadership, please explain where you have displayed a leadership in your school or college. If you are saying your strength is sports, then please explain that आपने अपने स्कूल और कॉलेज को कहाँ कहाँ रिप्रेजेंट किया है, और have you represented in the district or the national level. ठीक है? Prepare for the question what are your strengths. Also prepare simultaneously for the question what are your weaknesses. तो और ये weaknesses I always tell students that ये जो है वो googly है. People who watch cricket, googly होता है जो दिखता है कि spin आएगी मगर off spin कर जाती है. So, and why am I saying that? Because high chances that you may get out in this question. So इसलिए you have to deal with this question carefully, very tactfully. And जैसे for example, if I ask what is your weakness, don't say I don't have any weakness, I don't know sir, या तो I am a very shy person. All these things may be taken. All these things may be taken not in the right spirit. So say that public speaking is one of the most common fears. So people who have genuine fear of public speaking can say that, sir, I am shy and maybe I am not very comfortable while speaking in public. But at the same time, now I'm making efforts, having recognized my weakness. I have joined the Rotary, or I'm reading certain books on how to be better at public speaking. I'm taking certain courses, or I'm taking certain positions in my school or college where I'm required to speak in public.